my God, I'm back again. Back recording voice the words again. That's how that song goes, right? Right? Okay, chill out, Huff. Hey guys, thanks for coming back to watch these videos. I'm having a bunch of fun doing them. I hope you're having a bunch of fun watching them. I'm super pumped. This weekend is actually filled with comedy, but not me doing comedy. What? I am going to see more shows. That's my goal. See? More comedy shows, other kinds of shows. Just be more inspired instead of working. Because I gotta be honest with my friends on the internet. I'm in a little bit of a stand-up rut in which I'm writing new material. I'm not really doing it on stage. I'm not really loving it. I thought, hey, why don't you go out in the world and look at it instead of banging your head against the wall? So this weekend, my good friend Amy Sumpter and I, hi kickin' Sumped, she got tickets for Patton Oswalt, one of my all-time faves. So I'm gonna go check out Patton Oswalt. And then Jason and I are gonna go see Nathan Fielder tomorrow. And then after that, Sunday, I have a Kate's meeting. That's my weekend. I don't know why, as of late, I am just so... Whoa. I am running late. I look up and I was like, what? It's time to go. I look like a sweaty mess. There's definitely a fine line between sweat and highlight. But I'm gonna go get my bangs trimmed. So hopefully next time you see me, I'll have some short bangs. And hopefully I won't have such witchy hair. Although to be fair, witchy hair just means I'm living my... I'm living my Stevie Nicks life, is what I was trying to say before my brain and mouth decided to break up. Bangs now. Wha-bam! Bangs, ba-bang, bang, bangs. Now I'm gonna get lunch in my stomach.
Post-show thoughts.
Like this?
Yeah.
Does that
Put it
help?
on your... That's okay, but it more looks just like you're standing by a car.
Okay.
What did you think about the show, AB?
Majestic. He made me cry. He made me laugh. I felt all the emotions. I don't know why I'm being so aggressive. I need to be more honest. Make me a better comic.
What are your honest opinions then?
Made me laugh. Made me cry. It was like beautiful, and I loved it.
Oh.
I was really proud of him.
You're proud of him like an ant?
I was just like, Patton, you did it.
You did it. Now we're gonna pan over here at this gal. Now, tell them the secret. I mean, I don't know if you can because you had to sign something.
I did have to spoiler.
Did you read it?
All we'll say is, I had to sign a waiver after the show.
Oh, wink.
She was totally in it.
Hey, there's a person I know.
Good morning to you. You look kind of drowsy. In fact, you look lousy. Good morning to you. My mom used to sing that to us in the morning. Kind of an insult song. I just realized that right now. I am off to class, and then I have a pretty chill day, and then I'm gonna go see Nathan Fielder from Nathan For You. Hope everybody's having a sweet day. It's the weekend. And if you've noticed on the weekend, I don't like to change my clothes. My philosophy with the pajamas, wear it till it stinks. Same for weekend clothes. Often if I'm walking down the sidewalk and I see a squirrel or bird in my path, I say hello to it. I just feel like I'm being polite, but I bet you I just look like a whack-ass Snow White. It may be too hot for blazer. Tragedy. I'm somebody who loves to wear concealer because I have dark bags under my eyes. Also love to wear sunglasses. Anybody know how to make your concealer stay? Because I feel like I rub it off instantly. These are really important questions that must be answered. Not that serious. Whew. It's gonna be a hot one in the old city today. comedy show number 2. We're at the Golden Apple, Golden Tea, Golden Apple. Pumped and sleepy, but I got this sweaty iced coffee to help me through. Can't wait. So good. So good, so original, so much fun. Jason's brushing his teeth, which is also fun. Hello, hello. It's morning. Where are you? Where are you? There you are. This weekend has been a dang blast and a half so far, and I haven't had any shows myself. I've actually gone and seen shows like I said I would. That was my challenge, and it's been a great time. Oh, my nose itches. If I've had boogers this whole time and you didn't tell me, you guys, help me out. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. What did you do? Tell me. Tell me what happened in the comments below. If you want, no pressure. Do what you want, you know. I mean, live your life. I'm not the boss of you. Am I? Am I the boss of you? No. Still buzzing from that gentleman saving the bird. Hours have gone by and I'm still amazed by his bird-like ninja skills. As a hero. But right now, I have to go and get some delicious treats for the Kates. They're coming over for a meeting and I've got no food in this dang apartment of mine. I just basically have water and ketchup and old frozen bananas. And I Googled it and you can't make anything out of that. So off to the store we shall go. Hold on to your butts, you guys. I'm gonna say something pretty controversial. LaCroix, not a fan. The world gasps. I don't get it. And I think it's just because I didn't grow up with soda. I don't really have bubbly water, pop, soda, whatever you call it. My mom didn't like it, so I didn't have it in my house. And so if I want like a bubbly soda-y thing, I want like sugar in it. And LaCroix just tastes like there's not enough. Not enough flavor, too many bubbles. I know, internet's gonna blow up with that piece of really important information. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. That was successful. Listen, I know I get on here and I talk about the weather a lot because it's just always a miracle. No, it's just always very confusing for me to live in Chicago. Today, just so you know, weather update, Tom Skilling style, it's 92 degrees. 92 degrees! And in the back of all of our brains, we think it could snow at any second. For real!